Good morning, NGO friends. Today I'm going to discuss about two important points. So let's pull out the WhatsApp message that I've sent to all of you. And from there, I'll tell you which one I'll be covering today. What is JLG scheme is already been covered in my yesterday's video. Today, I'll be talking about how much JLG loan is available and how to form groups. Okay, this is what I'll be covering today. See how much JLG loan is available, how to form group, what is IGP. These three things I'll be covering now. Okay. So how much JLG loan is available? Loan is maximum loan availability is about 2 lakhs. Okay. But do we need 2 lakhs? So that is a matter in detail if you want to find out. See, because what is required is for this group, you need one laptop and 4 mobile phones. 4 mobile phones with touchscreen facility. Because why I have included in this component is that the people who are having mobile phones, it may be button phones. If button phones are there or small phones if they have, that is not going to be helpful for doing this business. So they need to have a touchscreen mobile phone. So that is the reason that I've kept one laptop and 4 mobile phones. So total members is going to be about 4 people. Okay. So how much it will cost? Laptop, you can get basic things and all which is required. I mean, less than 20,000 rupees you will get, right? So if you keep about on an average about 12,000 rupees for one mobile phone touch screen, right? 12 into 4 is about 48,000 rupees. 48 plus 20 is about 68,000 rupees. Then if you take your training fee, you can charge around, maybe around 15,000 rupees. So at 15,000 rupees, if you charge 68 plus 15, it's about 70, 60, 68, 15, 73, 83,000 rupees. So roughly around, let's say 1 lakh. Okay. You can round it off to 1 lakh. 1 lakh is sufficient for you to do this because that balance money, what is there, you can use it for Facebook advertisement, to generate customers and all that. Leads are required for this business opportunity. So for that purpose, you need that, cushion amount. So I think 1 lakh should be good enough. Anything over and above 1 lakh, they can go up to 2 lakhs also. Another 1 lakh is not required for this business. But if they require to cover up their, say any other, requirement that they have, the bank will give you up to 2 lakhs. Okay. Repayment has to be done by all the 4 people put together, and one person who is the leader will take the responsibility that the other 3 people also pay up the EMIs regularly. Okay. So that is why this is called joint liability group. If one person defaults also, the leader will be held responsible for that. Okay. So therefore, he must be very careful in choosing the people. NGO should be very clearly explaining this particular model to the people so that they know the responsibility of repayment. And because there is a 98% success rate of recovery from the banks, and the fact that they get about 20% interest overall. For that reason, they are very liberal in giving joint liability group. So if the business purpose is very good and if they have all the basic documents like Aadhaar cards and business plan, then definitely this bank will finance you. Which bank will finance you and all that, I'll come to it a little later. Now, income generation project. Income generation project, what is that we are going to cover in that? So these people should be actually using the laptop and the mobile phones to do this business. So what business they are going to do? What is the product that they are going to sell? Okay. They are going to sell the daily requirement products. Okay. The daily requirement products. I'll be sending a separate video on what are the products which are available. Okay. So you get to know about what products they have to actually market. So let me see if I can pull out that video now itself. So now I'm playing the products now. Just have a look at this. सबसे पहले बात करते हैं राइस ब्रान ऑयल की। इसकी मेरे पास 35 बॉटल्स है। उसके बाद मेरे पास जीटा स्पेशल टी के 25 पैकेट्स हैं। अराउंड 20 शैम्पूज है, 9 हेयर ऑयल की बॉटल्स है, 2 ट्रूमेन डीओ है, 2 एक्टिव डीओ है, 3 आर्टिक परफ्यूम है, 4 ट्रूमेन फेस वॉश है, 2 ट्रूमेन जेल है। उसके बाद मेरे पास ये दोनों टाइप के टैल्कम पाउडर्स हैं। फिर मेरे पास हेयर कंडीशनर है, हैंड वॉश है, एश्योर नेचुरल्स फेस स्क्रब है, हैंड एंड बॉडी लोशन है, डेली
मॉइस्चराइजर है, एश्योर सन डिफेंस SPF 30 क्रीम है, एश्योर फेस वॉश है, एश्योर बॉडी वॉश है, फ्लोर क्लीनर है, डिश वॉश है, टॉयलेट क्लीनर है। अराउंड 55 मेरे पास क्रीमी क्लींजिंग बार है, अराउंड 35 मेरे पास एश्योर कॉम्प्लेक्शन बार है, and around 35 मेरे पास एश्योर क्रीम सोप है. After all these items, I have Enero breakfast cereals, protein powder, ultraviolet detergent powder, freshener drink, Vestel cream, Enrico chocolate protein powder, Veslim tea, Veslim shake, fiber, BB cream. I have 2 boxes of toothbrush, stevia tablet, 5 packets of coffee, 10 chocolates, 2 pocket perfumes. Friends, instead of all these, I have different varieties of food supplements. और कोरोना के बाद, लॉकडाउन के बाद इम्यूनिटी कैसे बढ़नी चाहिए, किन चीजों से बढ़नी चाहिए, ये इन चीजों में बहुत कारगर साबित होते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, इन सब फूड सप्लीमेंट्स के मैं आप सबको नाम नहीं बताऊंगा, क्योंकि करके नाम बताऊंगा तो वीडियो बहुत लंबा हो जाएगा. आप सब अपनी जरूरत और रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से फूड सप्लीमेंट्स सिलेक्ट करके यूज कर सकते हैं. फ्रेंड्स, इन सब के अलावा मेरे पास से 3 एयर प्यूरिफायर्स, 2 ऑलरेडी मैं यूज करता हूं और एक एयर प्यूरिफायर मैंने पैक बॉक्स रखा है. इन केस अगर मेरे पास कोई कस्टमर आता है तो मैं उसको ऑन द स्पॉट डिलीवरी करता हूं, क्योंकि फ्रेंड्स आप सब जानते हैं कि एयर प्यूरिफायर की आजकल बहुत ज्यादा डिमांड है और कभी-कभी आउट ऑफ स्टॉक हो जाता है, तो इसलिए मैंने पैक बॉक्स एनी टाइम रखा है. सो फ्रेंड्स,
so those products which you are seeing are available from Vestige 2.0 mobile app. So all those products are available from there. Now this particular video which I'm going to play is available from Vestige Best Deals app. Okay, Vestige Best Deals app. Here what you will find is, you will find all kinds of products, more than 5,500 products in there. Tata Tea is there. See, Tata's products are there. Okay, then you will find ketchups and all that coming up. So this is Maida. Okay, these are some of the fruities and all that which are available. Tea, red label tea and all that is available. You'll find ketchups here, tomato ketchups and all available. Fruities, right? All these biscuits. So your rice, dal, wheat, everything is available from these products. Okay, from this particular app, which means whatever is to be consumed for any normal human, mother dairy, say. So whatever is required for a normal family, everything is available. Walnuts, almonds, Oreos. So whatever we are purchasing on a day-to-day basis, this is available through Vestige Best Deals app. Okay. So now these are the products to be sold. Now somebody has to physically carry this and sell it? No, not at all. There are outlets which will take care of delivery. Okay, so the person who is actually wanting to purchase these products, they have to just go to their mobile phone, place the order, make the payment, and then automatically the products will come. Like how Amazon does, how Flipkart does, how Big Basket does. In the same manner, all that you need to do is go to the mobile app and start placing the order. It will come to your doorstep within 2 to 3 days time. Okay. If your outlet is very close by, you will even get it within about 4 or 5 hours also. That is also possible, depending on which location you are there. And the maximum time that is taken is about 2 days time. Okay, so that's how the business opportunity is going to be. Now, how to do this? How to form the groups? How are we going to market? What is the registration process? Is there any registration fee? All these things I'll tell you in my next video. Okay, thank you.